Good PM. Ngayon po ay Thursday, November 30, 2023 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Thursday, November 30, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong November 30, 2023 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, November 30, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 27 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 201 million pesos for Thursday, November 30, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, November 30, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.